Hey, we're arcadream. We make the next generation arcade machine. Order yours or get our do-it-yourself kit and make your own. This is our home console woodworker's kit. This kit features all the key ingredients needed to build your own cabinet. Real size plans to cut and assemble your own cabinet. Chrome-plated control panel with 1 joystick and 15 buttons. Front socket USB plug for second player. Translucent backlit vinyl arcadream sticker to make the marquee. USB powered LED strip light. Our control panel is available in 4 different versions. Compatible with Xbox One, Xbox 360, PS3, or PS4. Build your cabinet around a TV or a computer screen. Plug the control panel into your home console and you're done. Customize and order your arcade machine or your kit on arcadream.com. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please help us to make it go viral by sharing it on social media.